welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial where I'm back with another quick tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can explore the free AI generated logo ideas for your business logos or your personal logos. Now in order to do it, just simply open any of the browser you have, and here you have to search for brandmark.io. You can see the username over there. It's totally free service, you don't need to pay anything. Now here hit create my logo option, and it will ask for some for informations like your brand name. For example, if I write here Facebook and a slogan which is optional, so I'll just skip it and just simply hit next, and it will ask the key ideas. For example, if I get, give them the idea of technology and just simply hit next, and it will ask for the color style. For example, if I hit this vibrant, and wait for it to generate some crazy logo ideas for you that you can use anywhere you want for free. Now let's see, it will generate some of the, you can see the logos has been generated, the ideas has been generated. You can use them, edit them and do whatever with them you want, and it's a totally free process. All right, so that's it for this video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.